Hello, hi students. Welcome to Concepts Chemistry with Dr. Shekunti Ravi Kumar YouTube channel. Now we are going to discuss multiple choice questions on second law of thermodynamics. In last class, already we discussed what is second law of thermodynamics. We have seen different types of definitions of second law of thermodynamics. So based on done definitions, I made some multiple choice questions on second law of thermodynamics. So let us see. The first one is entropy is a measure of energy or disorder or enthalpy or temperature. According to our definition, the answer is B, disorder. Entropy is a randomness of measurement of randomness of the molecular system. So next question, the entropy of a perfect crystal is at absolute zero is, so 1, 0, infinity and negative. The answer is 0. Why? Because crystal is a solid. In solids, atoms, ions, molecules are arranged in a systematic manner. Wherever systematic manner, there is entropy is 0. There is a randomness, entropy is positive. So answer is 0. In third question, entropy change for spontaneous process is always positive because entropy is a randomness. Okay, spontaneous reaction, it's the reaction, takes place, its own occurred, that is called spontaneous reaction. So all spontaneous reactions move towards to increase entropy of the system. So the answer is positive. So next question, which process has maximum entropy? So here the substance exists in three phases in the nature, that is solid, liquid, gas and plasma. So answer is gas molecule. In gas molecules, the intermolecular forces are very weak, so the atoms are arranged in a randomness. So that's why gas molecule has maximum entropy. And next one, entropy change for reversible process. Reversible reactions are equilibrium reactions. At equilibrium, the entropy of the system is 0. Ice melts water. What happens to the entropy? Here, whether it decreases or increases, remains the same or becomes 0. You see, ice is a solid, water is a liquid. So solid to liquid, entropy increases. So answer is increases. So this question, formula for entropy change is delta S is equal to Q into T, delta S is equal to Q by T, delta Ts is equal to T by Q, or del D is equal to delta S is equal to Q plus T. But already we discussed the absorbed heat energy is divided by absolute temperature, that is answer is B. In the case of which process decreases entropy? You see, evaporation, it has more, melting, it has more entropy, sublimation also more entropy, freezing, so water, liquid will become solid. So in this case entropy decreases. In this question, entropy is whether it is a path function, state function or vector, none of the above. So entropy depends on initial and final state of the system. So entropy is a state function. So answer is B, that is state function. Coming to this question, which has lowest entropy? Gas, already we discussed that in gas molecules are arranged in a randomly, so it has more compared to the gas. Liquid has little bit less entropy, but solution has some entropy. But solid already okay, you know that in solids, atoms, ions or molecules arranged in a systematic manner. So that's why which has lowest entropy means solid has lowest entropy. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.